Next topic we have moving, resizing and deleting charts in Excel. Once you insert a chart in a worksheet, you can edit the chart, its design, layout and formatting options using the additional tab available on the ribbon. These tabs are Design tab, Layout tab and Format tab. You can resize it, delete it and move it from one place to another if needed. Now let me see how can we do this. First of all, we have to select the chart by clicking on it. Now to move to the chart, place the cursor on the chart area. A four-handed arrow will be shown. Now press and drag it in order to move the chart in any direction. Now to resize the chart, position the mouse pointer on any of the corner border and you can resize the chart as per your requirement. Next one, we have to delete a chart from the worksheet. Click anywhere on the chart to select it and then press the delete key. Select the anywhere on the chart and press the delete key. So in this way we can delete the chart. Our next topic is formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of a chart. You can format the chart by changing its title, text, font, line color, width, border, style, legend, data series, etc. You can also change the number on the value axis, hide or show the grid lines. Now let me see how can we change the plot area background. So we know that this is our plot area. Right click on the plot area and here we have format plot area. Now we have select the border color, border style, shadow, etc. according to your choice. By default the fill tab is selected. And select the solid fill option in the right pane. Solid fill option in the right pane. Now click on the color button and click on close. So in this way we can format the plot background area. Next one, we have inserting the chart title. Once you insert the chart, you need to specify the chart title. It gives the idea about the kind of data or data a chart contains. Moreover, it enhances the appearance of a chart. Now let me see how can we insert chart title. First of all, we have to select the chart, then click on the chart title button in the label group on the layout tab. In the layout tab we have label group and here we have chart title. Here we have some options where you want to place the chart title. I want to place the title on the above the chart. Here comes the chart title. Now you can type any name. So in this way we can insert chart title. Next one, we have formatting the axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart or a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and y-axis. You can, however, customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. Now let me see how can we format the axis. For that, first of all, we have to select the chart and then point the mouse at y-axis and right click on it. At the bottom we have format axis. Now we have so many options: axis option, number, fill, line color, line style, shadow. We can change these as per our requirement. Now on axis option, in minimum, if I want to change the minimum value to 20, I can set from here and click on close. Now you can see that the minimum value is 20. So in this way we can format the axis. Next one we have formatting legend. This is our legend. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legend mostly appear on the right of a chart. You can place them anywhere in the chart area as per your choice. Now let me see how can we formatting the legend. Right click on the legend and format legend option. Now we have so many options. We can choose any option and change the legend. Now I click on the border color and select the solid line. Now select the border style and click on the dash type. And now click on close. So in this way we can format the legend. And next one we have formatting data series. This is our data series. We can format this data series. You can format a data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices and shifting their position. Now let us see how can we do this. Right click on the data series and click on the format data series. Now click on the fill tab. Here we can select the picture or texture fill. From the texture, select anyone and click on close. So here we can see the changes in our data series. So in this way we can do the formatting data series. Our next topic is formatting data series. You can format a data series by changing the bar colors, lines, slices or shifting their position. Now let us see how can we do this. Right click on the data series, then format data series option, click on it. Now click on fill, then solid fill, and as per requirement we can change the color of data. We can change the color of lines, data bars. So in this way we can formatting data series. So this is all about our session 8, create, modify and format chart.